Sige na, Uncle.
To you, my dear sister Marlene, it is sad to say this moment of time that I will say parting words from you, and with this it is very clear in my mind to diminish your goodness, being an elder sister to our family, but that's life. Mana, whatever mga pagkuyang na ako sa imo mana, nanaga ko ng pasaylo as I told you in the cell phone, but you know, deep in your heart mana, and even me, you've seen my truthfulness in being your younger brother, and with this mana, I can express being one of your brother who even experienced your goodness. Mana, I miss you. Mahal ka kao, mana. And what I can say is that magkita na ta, mana. And I do believe that we are one in destiny. And one day we will see each other in the area where we can see perfection at its best. With this mana, together with my family, Nati, Natnat, and AJ, mana, I will not say goodbye, but I will say you will be in the realm of our Father, who says in His words, death is promotion. So mana, I am looking forward to see you there, for we believe we are just transient in this world, and mana, nakita na ko sa imo mana the qualities of the sister and the elder sister who is always after for the good of his brothers and sisters, not only secularly mana, even in our spiritual life. So mana, salamat ka radyaw sa panahon na imo tag-extend sa ako pamilya. Mana, I can say ako ato mana greatest memories sa imo. Salamat, dagan ka radyaw, salamat mana. Dagan salamat.
Okay.